Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a typewriter effect in Roblox. Let's get into it. Okay, so you'll want to screen UI. This label. You can put this in anything. You can change the text. I'm just gonna type in a text right there. I'm just gonna build font. Okay, so color. Okay, so wherever you want. I just did, so crap. I almost said that again. Flying. Okay, I'm just actually no. That's better. Insert a local script. Local text. Type text. Yes. So you can put a string. Times string. Script up here. Now you're gonna do a for I equals hashtag oops local function for so it's gonna keep on going. It's kind of like JavaScript. If you don't know what JavaScript, that sucks. So what this basically does is it goes through. It starts at 1. I don't know what this last one is. But it starts at 1, and it waits until text is full. So you're gonna put the text down here soon. Actually, you probably don't know what I'm doing. You probably don't get what I'm saying. That's fine. I'm gonna say it better later. But then, so item. Oh, creating type right item dot text. Oh yeah, make sure you don't make that script apparent dot text, because I did that earlier and it kind of didn't work. Yeah, it didn't work. Equals string dot sub. So string.sub allows you to manipulate the text a little. So you're gonna want to say text So if you type in 1, it's gonna say one of the characters. Type in 2, it's gonna type in HE, 3, then HEY, and so on and so forth. So I is gonna keep on going until text, which we're gonna put later, is completely full. It starts at 1, so it's gonna start at H, or the first letter in your word or sentence. Then it's gonna work its way up until it gets to the last character, which is exclamation point. So yeah, you want to put like weights 0.05. So the more like 0.005 is gonna type in like almost instantly. I think 0.5 is pretty moderate. 0.1 is, yeah, that should work. Now okay, now you want to type in right. Now you're gonna want to say the item, which is text label, comma, type text, and special trick, so it waits. So this is gonna wait until the game is fully loaded. So if it's not yet loaded, then it's just gonna wait until it is. Oh yeah, well, after I show you this. If I typed everything correctly, okay. Oh, it deleted it. Oh gosh, that's good. Oh gosh. What did I write wrong? Why? What did I type wrong? Technical difficulties. I'm just gonna debug this real quick. Okay guys, I figured it out. I forgot to put a 1 here. Yes, stupid, I know. So, not just that. So, if you want to delete it instead of type it, then I guess you're up for a treat. But, sorry guys, but you want to start with 1? It's going to work its way to the exclamation point. So, should work. This best, but it's fixed now, I think. Yeah, there we go. So it's gonna type it out, and as I said, the longer you put, the longer it's gonna take. The the smaller number, the faster. So let me tell you what it does. So for I hashtag text. So it starts at 1. Count is 1, and it's gonna count up to text, which is okay. Let's just say 16. Good enough. Okay, it's 12 or 13. I did not count. So it's gonna start at 1. So it's just gonna type in the H. Then it's gonna wait 1.1 seconds every 10th of a second. Is that 0.1 seconds until it types in the next letter, which is E. And it's gonna continue doing that until the last letter is typed. Then it's just gonna stop. So yeah. Oh yeah, and if you make it a smaller number, I said this earlier, but I'm just gonna show you to give you guys a trouble. Make it up for trouble. So I think Dragone is gonna be not lazy and leave it in the description. The script. So yeah. Okay, I was not. I think it worked. Yeah, it's gonna be in the description. And yeah, type faster as you can see. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And goodbye.